We know schools are struggling with budget. They're desperately trying to find money wherever they can. They're looking at cutting on platforms and things they're buying in. How can Busy Things help with that?
Well, Busy Things covers the entire curriculum. There's lots of subscriptions and platforms that are just single subject, and therefore schools are paying multiple subscriptions for their maths, their reading and various other subscriptions that they have, whereas Busy Things has that all in one place because it covers everything from maths to geography, and so it saves cost because it's one subscription rather than multiple.
And then adding that into the LGfL kind of bundle means that they're saving even more money because they've got that as just as part of their subscription with LGfL.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of our LGfL schools are really grateful that Busy Things is essentially a free resource as part of their LGfL bundle, so it's even better.